unleashing the phenomenal power of probiotics minus propelling humanity into a galactic era of gut health. Attention, science enthusiasts! Get ready to blast off into a cosmic realm of health and wellness as we explore the awe-inspiring wonders of probiotics. Hold onto your astronaut helmets as we embark on a celestial journey that will revolutionize the way we understand gut health and propel humanity into a galactic era of well-being. Strap yourselves in, because probiotics are about to take you on a cosmic odyssey of taste and digestion. Like a supernova of flavor, these remarkable microorganisms ignite a symphony of tastes that will send your taste buds into orbit. Get ready for a gastronomic adventure as probiotics transform your palate into a cosmic playground of delightful sensations, harmonizing the flavors of the universe within your very gut. But that's not all. Brace yourselves for the intergalactic impact of probiotics on your well-being. They are the cosmic warriors of our digestive system, like a space-age battalion defending against the invasion of harmful bacteria. With their formidable powers, they restore balance to our gut microbiota, establishing a harmonious cosmic ecosystem within us. Prepare to witness a revolution in gut health as probiotics boost our immune systems, enhance nutrient absorption, and propel us towards a galaxy of vitality and resilience. Hold onto your lab coats, because the cosmic influence of probiotics doesn't end there. These remarkable microorganisms possess the power to positively impact our mental and emotional well-being, like cosmic messengers of happiness and harmony. Through the intricate gut-brain connection, they communicate with our neurons, uplifting our mood, and promoting a cosmic state of serenity and mental clarity. And let's not forget the cosmic connection between probiotics and the delicate cosmic dance of nature. They are the living embodiment of symbiosis, intricately entwined with the cosmic web of life. From the depths of ancient forests to the vastness of oceanic realms, probiotics resonate with the cosmic energy that sustains our planet, reminding us of the profound interdependence between humanity and the cosmic tapestry of existence. So, fellow cosmic explorers and guardians of well-being, join us on this epic cosmic expedition through the realm of probiotics. Buckle up, ignite your cosmic engines, and prepare to transcend the boundaries of health and vitality. This is the cosmic revolution that will have you exclaiming, to infinity and beyond, as we unlock the cosmic secrets of gut health, propelling humanity into a galactic era of well-being.